What?
Yeah, I know where I'm at.
From West Side Nanny's right, homie.
He ain't check it. Y'all need to check y'all facts. I got the hiccups, but yeah, he ain't check him. That was an innocent civilian. You know what I'm saying? That's like saying somebody who was in martial arts beat up somebody. That wasn't a fair fight. That's a bully. Beat up somebody who ain't know how to fight. Never had no training or nothing. Feel me? That's a bully, bro. You know what I'm saying? Would you did it by yourself? If none of your homies was there? I don't think so. And y'all just sitting there. That man's family might be from somewhere. They might be y'all enemies. So guess what? Y'all goofy for that. Clean yourself up, man.